ready to put your business on the map and reach millions of potential customers in India. Let's dive into creating your Justdial business account. First, open your web browser and go to the Justdial website. You can simply type justdial.com in the address bar and hit enter. Look for the List Your Business button, usually located at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on it to begin the registration process. You'll be directed to a registration form. Fill in your business name, your mobile number, and select the appropriate category that best describes your business. Ensure that you provide an active mobile number, so you will receive an OTP for verification. Enter the OTP you receive on your mobile number in the provided field and click on Verify. This confirms your mobile number and allows you to proceed. Now, you'll be taken to your business profile page. Here, you can add detailed information about your business, including your complete address, the services or products you offer, your business hours, and high-quality photos of your business and products. Don't forget to add relevant keywords that customers might use when searching for businesses like yours. This will significantly improve your visibility in search results. Justdial also offers paid promotion options to boost your visibility further. Explore these options to see if they align with your marketing budget and goals. Regularly check your Justdial dashboard to track your listings performance, monitor leads, and respond to customer inquiries promptly. This helps in building a strong online presence and converting leads into loyal customers. Congratulations! You've successfully created your Justdial business account.